Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Doonside. I don't know if anyone's requested this part, but if anyone has, I'll write you down for part 3. So yeah, this is Doonside part 2. On platform number 4 we have a Penrith service. A67 is the set. Train will stop at Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt, St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood, followed by Penrith. I'll just give you all a bit of a pan of Doonside. 2 island platforms. Across there, platforms 1 and 2. The platforms we're on, platform 3 and 4. Platforms 3 and 4 are for trains towards Penrith and the Blue Mountains, and platform 1 and 2 are for trains towards Parramatta and the city. We have a Blue Mountains VSET, now passing platform 3. V29 is the set. Service. A23 is the set. A23 arriving into platform number 4, Emu Plains service. This train will stop all stations to Penrith, followed by Emu Plains. Again, A23 is the set. Emu Plains service, A23 now departing platform 4. We've got a Waratah arriving into platform 1. This is a city service. A76 is the set. We've got a city service now arriving into platform number 1.
We'll go to Central and then Hornsby via Macquarie University. Set A42.
A42 is the set. Excuse the sunlight, guys. It's making life hard. We've got a Tangara arriving into platform number 4. This is a Penrith service, stopping all stations. While it's arriving, I'm going to wrap up the vlog, guys. Front forecast T79. Anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. I thank you all so much for watching, and I really appreciate it, guys. You're all awesome. Bye for now.